How to update drivers for Windows 11. Hey everyone, let's get started and start today's video. So first of all, what you have to do is right click on Start button and go to Device Manager. If you cannot find the Device Manager option here, you can simply click on the search bar and then you can tap in Device Manager, which will open it directly from the control panel. Now what you have to do is you can see different adapters and its driver. You just have to click on the drop down menu and open all of them that you want to update or update the driver to. Now if you want to open or update any of the driver, just select its adapter. For example, for the Bluetooth option, let us right click on the Realtek Bluetooth pipe adapter. Once you do so, you will see different options. You have to now click on Update Drivers option. There are two options, automatic and manual. First of all, let's try automatically. It will then suggest you what is already installed, but if you want to see updated drivers, you can even check it from the Windows Update. You just have to tap on it and it will go to the Windows Update page. This was to try it automatically. Now, if you want to update anyone manually, you just have to right click on the adapter, click on Update Driver and select the next option. It will browse your computer for the drivers and after that, you just have to click Next and Update. That's all for today. For more such content, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.